How to check spelling on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. In the main menu, scroll down and tap on General. On the next screen, tap on Keyboard to view typing options. Locate the Check Spelling option and turn the switch on so it shows as enabled. If it is already enabled, leave it as it is and proceed. Swipe up to return to the home screen and open the Notes application. Tap on the Compose button to create a new note so you can test spelling. Place the cursor in the note and type a word incorrectly on purpose. You will see a red underline appear under the misspelled word when spelling check is active. Tap on the underlined word to bring up the spelling suggestions. From the suggestions above the keyboard, tap on the correct spelling to replace the word. Repeat with another misspelling if you want to confirm it works on different words. Following these steps, you can easily check spelling on iPhone.